Hi guys, and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I want to show you guys a giveaway I will be having. This will be a acrylic and nail art giveaway. I have a bunch of acrylics and nail art that I would love to give away. I'm just showing you guys a few of them here. Most of them are pretty full. They are not completely brand new, but most of them are pretty full. So if you guys are interested in this giveaway, make sure you guys are subscribed to my YouTube channel and make sure that you share this video on any social media and tag me. I will link my Instagram and Facebook down below. Once you guys have done that, just comment down below, enter me, and that you guys have completed all of the steps. This giveaway will be for US only. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I do have a lot more giveaways coming up. This is just a few of the stuff that I will be giving away. In the end, I'll show you guys some pictures and everything. So I hope you guys enjoy. Again, for this nail giveaway video, the rules are to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you are publicly subscribed and tag me, share this video on either Instagram or Facebook or TikTok. I will leave all of my social medias down below. So again, just subscribe to the YouTube channel and share this video. And yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoy. I'm really excited to be doing this, so make sure you guys are subscribed. I will be having more giveaways coming up in the near future. Yeah, I'm just showing you guys. I have a lot of stuff, so probably I will break this up into multiple giveaways, but make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel to be notified when I do more giveaways. So yeah, good luck to everybody, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!